Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I will show you how to make ghee. Ghee is basically clarified butter. It's easy to make at home. Melt butter on medium-low heat. Once melted, let it simmer to evaporate liquid. It will take time depending on how much ghee you're making. You can do other things, but do not walk away. If you're like me, I tend to forget what I'm doing, so I will set timer for 5 minutes at a time so I can keep an eye on it. I usually melt about 2 pounds butter at a time just because it'll last me a while, up to 6 months. Butter can be salted or unsalted. The end result will be the same. One important thing, do not stir the frothy melted butter. If it starts to bubble over, reduce heat. It'll literally boil out, and that is a mess I don't like to clean. Also use an exhaust fan, otherwise your whole house will smell like ghee. Nutritionally, ghee is similar to butter. It is a saturated fat. Ghee is solid at room temperature and melts when heated. It is shelf stable and has a higher smoking point than butter and can be used for frying. Based on Ayurvedic medicine, ghee has spiritual and medicinal properties. Indians have a love affair with ghee. As the liquid evaporates and the solids start settling to the bottom, you may need to adjust heat to avoid burning. You can see the clear liquid starts to peek through the bubbles, and now I need to be patient and vigilant. I want the solids to be settled to the bottom and the ghee to be clear. This is the point it can burn, so don't walk away. Wow, that looks pretty good. The bubbles have really slowed down. I can smell the ghee. At this point, I will turn off the heat and it'll continue to cook. Now let it cool. Now that it is cooled but still warm, I can see how the solids have settled to the bottom and the liquid is nice and clear. Do not disturb the solids. I will set up my strainer and line it with a fine cloth. I want to remove every bit of solids. I slowly pour the ghee and strain the solids. You can see how the solids are stuck to the bottom of the pan, and you have beautiful, clear, golden ghee. Enjoy. Happy, healthy cooking.